Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use L-Arginine capsules. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement to ensure it's right for you. Generally, L-Arginine dosages range from 2 to 9 grams per day, divided into several doses. It's often best to take these capsules with water, ideally on an empty stomach, to maximize absorption and effectiveness. This helps your body utilize the L-Arginine more efficiently. For optimal results, it's beneficial to divide your total daily L-Arginine intake into 2 or 3 smaller servings. Many find it helpful to take one dose about 30 minutes before a workout, as this can support healthy blood flow and enhance exercise performance. Additionally, taking a dose before bedtime may contribute to the body's natural growth hormone release, which is important for recovery and overall well-being. L-Arginine is known for its role in supporting cardiovascular health by promoting nitric oxide production, which helps relax blood vessels. It can also be beneficial for improving exercise performance and assisting with muscle recovery after physical activity. While generally safe, it's important to monitor for any potential side effects, such as mild stomach upset or a temporary drop in blood pressure, and adjust usage if needed. Proper storage is key to maintaining the effectiveness of your L-Arginine capsules. Always keep them in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and moisture. Ensure the bottle is tightly sealed after each use to preserve their potency and freshness. Remember, never exceed the recommended dosage without first consulting a healthcare professional, as higher doses are not always better and could lead to adverse effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.